In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and join a Zoom call from Slack. By the end, you'll have the Zoom app connected to your Slack workspace and know exactly how to spin up a meeting right from any channel or direct message. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're in the correct workspace. We'll start by heading into the admin area so we can manage apps. Look for the admin option in your Slack sidebar or menu. If you don't see it, that usually means you don't have permission to install apps, and a workspace admin will need to follow these steps. If you do see it, click into Admin to continue. Inside the admin view, go to Apps and Workflows. This is where Slack centralizes app management and automation tools. From here, select Browse to open the Slack app directory, which is essentially your workspace's marketplace for integrations. In the app directory, use the search bar and type Zoom. You'll see the official Zoom app appear in the results. Click on the Zoom listing to open its detail page. On this page, review the brief description so you know what the integration can do, then choose Add to Slack. This starts the connection process between Slack and Zoom. Slack will now redirect you to Zoom to authorize the integration. On the Zoom page, click Add Now to proceed. You may be asked to confirm again. Go ahead and click Add Now one more time if prompted. This is normal, and it ensures both services agree on the permissions required. If you're not already signed into Zoom, you may be asked to log in and approve access. Once the authorization completes, you'll be returned to Slack. Back in Slack, close any pop-ups or overlays by clicking anywhere in the empty space so you're looking at your normal workspace view again. Now it's time to use the integration you just enabled. Choose the channel or direct message where you want the meeting invite to appear. This could be a project channel if you want the whole team to see it, or a DM if it's just for one person. Click into the message box at the bottom. In the message box, type --Zoom. As soon as you do, Slack's shortcut suggestions will pop up above the input field. Select the Zoom option that appears there. This triggers the Zoom app to create a new meeting for you, and Slack will post a message in the conversation with the meeting details. You'll typically see a join button or a meeting link right in that message. That card is also visible to everyone in the channel or DM, making it easy for teammates to hop in. A few quick tips to make this smooth. If the Zoom command doesn't work after installation, give Slack a moment and try again. It can take a few seconds for new apps to initialize. If you get a permissions message during setup, that's a sign an admin needs to complete the app install. And if Slack asks you to authorize Zoom again at any point, it's just confirming your account connection. Accept the prompts and you'll be right back on track. From here on out, starting a call is simple. Open a channel or DM, type Zoom, choose the suggested Zoom shortcut, and let Slack post the meeting card. You and your teammates can use that card to join immediately, keeping everything in one place without switching between apps. That's all it takes to start and join a Zoom call from Slack. You installed the Zoom app through Slack's admin and app directory, authorized it on Zoom's side, returned to Slack, and launched a meeting with the Zoom command inside your chosen conversation. Follow these same steps anytime you need a quick huddle or a scheduled discussion, and you'll be meeting from Slack in seconds. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.